Ah! Hi Garden Gang, welcome to day 8. Took a bit of a tumble there, didn't I? But I'm okay. Anyway, on with the show. Day 7's competition answer is carrots. These are in fact carrots. Well done to those of you who got them right. I've put these in pots, having started them off as little seeds in trays like this, and then I've potted them on. Some people plant them straight out into the seeds straight out into the garden, but I find that always fails for me, so I started them this way instead. The only thing to watch out for with carrot is carrot fly. That's the only bug that gets them. And that's it for carrots. I'd like to wish you all a happy Easter, and on this religious weekend I'd like to share with you one of my favourite stories from the Bible. Jesus gathers his disciples around when he knows what's going to happen, and he gets them around, looks them in the eye, and in a low voice says to them, "And don't eat my Easter eggs, I'll be back on Sunday." Good one, eh? Right, day 9's competition, follow me. Guys, can you tell me what this bush is? It's a fruit bush. Okay, good, and that's it. All that's left for me to do is have a drink, wish you a happy weekend, happy bank holiday weekend, and keep calm, keep gardening.